Hello, crafters! This is Suzanne for Scrappiness, and I'm introducing the Perk Up Stamp Set, a wonderful coffee stamp set. And you also have the option to purchase the coordinating dies. This is a high-quality photopolymer stamp. It features this cute coffee pot, the glass coffee pot, and also a cute coffee cup. And look at these awesome sentiments. I like big cups and I cannot lie. OCD obsessive coffee drinker. A yawn is a silent scream for coffee. Coffee because adulting is hard. These stamps do fit in here, which is even better. So let me show you what I mean. So right there. There is also the option to purchase the coordinating die. And as you can see, every single thing in here, including those little coffee beans, has a coordinating die to cut it out so you can layer up. Let me show you an example of what I made. In this coffee release, there is a stencil and also a word die, got coffee. And there are two paper pads to coordinate. Right here, I'm using the cup of love, but there, that's the coffee pot. I stamped coffee because adulting is hard and got my got coffee on this 5x7 card. So check out the details below. Thanks for watching.